It's pretty easy. You can just come to the record and click on change. So on the owner name, there is an option called change. You can click on this and select a new owner. So that owner again should be a user registered within your Salesforce. So I think for this account we do not have any other owner option. But this is how a transfer of a single record works. What if I want to transfer multiple records? Okay, again the same concept. Think about the situation when one, there is a person who is leaving the team. Okay, someone has resigned. There's a sales guy who owns a few accounts and he has resigned and he is leaving. And there's another salesperson who will start taking care of his accounts. So again, if there are 500, 600 accounts under his name, you cannot start transferring it one by one. So you'll have to do mass transfer. Okay. So mass transfer is simply transferring some data from one owner to the other owner. How do we do that? Go to setup. Data management, say mass transfer records. What do you want to transfer? Let's say you want to transfer accounts. Click on transfer accounts. Say transfer from. So transfer from should be the person from whom you want to transfer. Transfer to. Because we just have one user here, I am selecting the from and to same person, but you should ideally choose two different people here, right? And then remaining all the things are same. So you just have to put a search criteria and then you have to transfer that data. Let me use the same search criteria. And not the user ID. Is there concept of system default? No. So there is a question whether we can actually make system default as a owner or something, or transfer it to the default. No, you will always need to transfer it to a user. So owner of a record always needs to be a valid user. Okay, it cannot be other. All right. So this is all right. You're fine with this? Mass transfer, mass delete. Clear on it? Okay. Now the other thing is, as yesterday we were talking about the data loader part also, right? So were you all able to download and install data loader on your systems? Could you all do that? Anyone who was not able to download or install data loader? Okay, so I am hoping everyone could download the data loader and all, right? So I'll just In case you have downloaded or installed data loader, after installation, as I showed you yesterday, this is how it will look, right? So what are the advantages of using data loader? I mean, can we just have 2-3 points? What are the advantages? Why would we use data loader? Any one of you? Why do we use data loader? Because it has a few advantages over the regular import wizard or the export option. So basically, yeah, someone has said flexibility, someone talks about 5 million records upload, can view the error log, right? Absolutely correct. So I mean, for people who have missed out on that, let me just give you a quick overview of it. So what is data loader? Data loader is a standalone application which is used for performing data management operations. Okay, so this is something that you need to install on your system. So we have data management options available here, as well as through the data loader we can do the data upload or export. So to install data loader, you just need to go to the data loader option, which is available under setup data management. There is an option called data loader. So anyone who has not downloaded or installed, please